Baby, there is more than a lion sleeping tonight. I know we can do better than that.
I think we can use some help from them. Now, I'm gonna sing to me my ways, but I'm gonna need everyone in these two sections to clap along with me like this, okay?
Fine, and somebody will sing the hard part. Okay, everyone in our sections, wave your hands over your head like this. That's it.
Are you two ready?
Observe.
That's right. We'll sing the high part.
And we'll sing blowing away.
But who will sing the melody?
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you're finished with all this talking, can we start already?
All right, Timon. Let's take it from the top.
Thank you. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
So, what do you think?
I think it's pretty clear. My sections were the best.
Hold on there a minute. I think it's pretty clear. All right, pretty clear.